So for the last couple weeks, what we're going to be working on is primarily the Capstone project and the showcase. We have one more thing to go through, and that's deployment. As soon as that is available, I will open that up to everybody. Uh, I had initially planned on showing you how to deploy to Azure and to another service. However, all of my Azure accounts have expired. And that is a problem because you can't use it without paying. So unless I can get another account, we won't be using Azure and we will be deploying to something else. And we also have the final exam. And I'm doing this a little early because the last week of class, I want you guys to focus on the peer reviews. Okay, so we're going to do the final exam a little bit early. It is a cumulative test. It is worth 50 points. There's no time limit. It is open book, open note. Okay, and there's only 29 questions. The questions that are more difficult are worth more points. And then finally, we have our Capstone project and showcase. You'll notice that there are drop boxes for the Capstone project and for the PowerPoint presentation that you're going to use in your showcase. The Capstone project link is either going to be a link to GitHub, or if you have it deployed, a link to where it is deployed. You can submit either one or both if you want. And then for your PowerPoint, you should be able to just upload the PowerPoint itself. Okay, so that's primarily what we're going to be working on, and you can see that you have almost 2 weeks for that. Now, by Monday night on the 27th, which is our last week of school, you do need to post to the showcase peer review. If you are an online student, you are going to have to post your video. And if your web or if your project is deployed, I want you to include a link to your project. For on-campus students who will not be attending class the last week, you will also have to post a video of your presentation and a link to your deployed project if you have it deployed. Okay. The video for the online students and the students who are not going to be attending needs to show a demonstration of your site, and you have to run through the PowerPoint. Okay, and the order that you do things in, it doesn't matter as long as you do both. For the on-campus students, they will be posting basically their name and the name of their app. Okay, and once they are done presenting in class, I will post the video for them because I'm going to be videotaping in Zoom their presentations. So I can post them for those students. By Wednesday or Thursday late afternoon, everything should be posted, and you're going to need to do the peer reviews. And the peer review basically involves watching the video and then posting a reply. And for students who are attending class, then they can actually do the peer reviews as the students are giving their presentations. Okay, that's why the on-campus students have to actually post to the discussion board by Monday night. So they just need to post their name and the name of their app so that their classmates can get the reviews done while they're presenting. So if you have any questions about what is going on the last 2 weeks, please let me know. All of the peer reviews should be completed by Friday night, May 1st, 11:59 p.m. The only other thing that I need you all to complete by Friday, May 1st, is the professional development and social networking. There's 5 activities, 10 points each. If you have been doing research for other classes, I will count that as professional development, but you do need to write a summary of what you learned and how much time you spent on it. That's the minimal thing that you need to submit in order for me to give you points for this. Okay, so make sure you do it because that's worth 50 points. It's worth as many points as your written final. Okay, and I don't require that you write a paper. I just need a paragraph or two. Okay, so that's what you have left. And if you have any questions or run into problems, please let me know.